Hey guys, today we're doing a wiper replacement on a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. As you see, I got my wiper blades from O'Reilly. This is a 16 size and a 26 size rain guard. So let's go ahead and replace them. The one I got out is the right side. So basically, you just take it out for here, and it's called a J hook. You put that in there and clip it on. All right, so here we go. So on this one, well, depending on if they're factory wipers or not. This is not a factory. I had replaced this a few years ago. So on these, I gotta press this little wiggly thing, and it'll pop the cover open. And you see that? I just gotta pull that out of here. So like that, and pull these out. Make sure this thing don't slam on your windshield or it'll crack it. And that's the whole wiper. Pretty beat up. Pretty beat up. That's the name of the company that I bought this from. Alright, a new one. New one's gonna get clipped on, so if you don't know which way to go, obviously you could read the instruction. But normally the hook will hook on from here. Hook will hook on from here into here. And once you hook it up, you pull it, and you should hear a click. So if you compare these two, you see how it has the sloping point going down, So put it in there like that. Lift it up, flip this over, put it in there. I don't know if you could see it or not. See the opening goes into there. You see it? Forward. Trying to do it with one hand. Alright, so like that, and then pull it, and you should be good. Wiggle it around, make sure it isn't coming off. It should be good. There might be a way to put a little clip through here, which will hold it down. So that'll do it. You got some extra ones, well, not extra one, but universal kind. These are the arms of your wiper blade. I have this kind of arm. That's another kind. That's another kind. So depending on the type of arm you have, you might have to use this. See it? So that's the right side. Now we're gonna do the left side. Same thing. Press these. Pop it open. Push this down. There it is. It's all messed up. This is the one I actually bought it from O'Reilly. So one's different than the other because I have bought both of these, the left and right, with Amazon, I think, online. That's the name of the company. I bought it online on Amazon, but one of them on the left side it flew away, so I had to put the one from O'Reilly, but that's not working either. So I'm gonna put the other one in the same way, and then I gotta do one later for Highlander. So let's see. And there you have it. It's not coming off. I remove the plastic. If I don't remove one on the left side, I'm in the right side. It's pretty easy to remove it. You just oops, my bad. I thought I was recording. Well, I was, but it's pretty easy. You just pull it, and there you have it, guys. No wipers. Appreciate for watching. We'll load the other one up for Hyundai Elantra.